What up, everybody? Munchie Chef back again. I'm back, baby. I'm gonna start doing a little slogan that says "Stay hungry and keep munching." We're gonna make loaded potato skins today. So you're gonna get some potatoes. Look at that, I got these big ones. Big is better. We are going to rinse them off. We're gonna load them up with cheese and bacon. Oh yeah. So rinse your potatoes. So now your potatoes are rinsed. You're gonna cut them in half like so. Shazam. If it got nasty stuff, you know, take them off. Cut them in half just like that. Bam, bam. Next one. I'll take that caca stuff off later. I'm just showing you what to do. Slice them in half like this. I keep saying that. Sorry, guys. Okay, so they're cut in half. Now you need some aluminum foils, like so. A little bit of, we're gonna use avocado oil. I use whatever oils there is. Actually, no, yeah, we'll just use avocado oil. So what you're gonna do, get a piece of foil, grab your, which one did this come in? This one? I don't even know which one lined up right. No, is it this one? No? Oh, it's this one right here. Doesn't matter, I guess. Doesn't matter. But yet I keep looking. This is the one right here. Okay, you're just gonna put a little bit of oil in them. That's all, a little bit, not too much. Oh shoot, that's too much. Put some on the next one over here. Next one, next one, next one, next one. Oil, wrap it up. Wrap it up real good, real nice. And you're gonna bake these suckers. I'll put it in here. We're gonna bake these potatoes so they are nice and baked. This is gonna be time consuming. Just so you know, it's gonna be about an hour by the time these are done baking. So you want to do this early. Hey, doesn't it matter? Is the shiny side supposed to go outside? That's right. Sorry, guys. I screwed up. I just remembered. Good thing I remembered. Shiny side goes on the outside. I gotta redo all these ones, or these two. Shiny on the outside. Okay, so meanwhile, the potatoes are baking in the oven. We're going to chop up some bacon. Bacon, I'm using farmland, whatever. Use the cheapest stuff you can get, man. Save some money. I need to sharpen my knife. Oh, a little bit of water came out. It was frozen. You're gonna cut. Bacon gets small, so you want to cut some like good sized pieces like this, maybe. Just make them small pieces so it's, you know, it shrinks. So you should get smaller pieces to be able to load your potatoes with. My knife is still not that sharp. But don't get it twisted, people. This knife is hella sharp. Okay, so now we're gonna cook them. Let me get this right now. Meanwhile, we're gonna cook them while this stuff's baking, so that way it's just ready. We're not wasting time. This stuff is time consuming, so you want it to be less time consuming. If you could do, see, today we're gonna knock out two birds with one stone, I guess you could say. I'm gonna show you how to make the loaded potatoes. And to do the loaded potatoes, we gotta scrape out some of the inside. With that scraping out from the inside, we're gonna use that and make a little bit of mashed potatoes to make some fried tacos on the other video. So make sure you watch the other video as well. Stay hungry and keep on munching. Yeah. Hell yeah. Did you guys see Andy Ruiz become the first heavyweight Mexican champion boxer ever? It was awesome. Oh, it's already on. Okay. Oh, I thought it was going to be hotter. It was red. Okay. Okay, so here's the bacon. It's what it's going to look like. Here's the bacon. Pieces of bacon. Hell yeah. Oh, this is going to be bomb. You guys are going to love this stuff. So now we still got about 45 more minutes till the potatoes are done. We'll be back. Okay, the potatoes should be done now. I forgot to tell you guys to poke holes in them. This took almost 2 hours because I didn't poke holes in the potatoes. I forgot. That's my bad, people. But I'm correcting myself. Letting you know what to do. Grab a fork, poke holes in them. Once you slice it, poke some holes on each side. The inside that you sliced and the outside. And now, let's see how it is. This is going to be hot. Ooh, oh yeah, now they're done. So now what we're going to do, yeah, look at that. Now what we're going to do, get another bowl, or what is this, a pot. And you're going to get, did you take my spoon, babe? Always, always.
What spoon?
The spoon I had right there. Get a spoon, and you're going to dig out the middle. Put it in your pot. This is what we're going to make mashed potatoes for the other video on the tacos. Remember, we're doing 2 videos. Ooh, yeah, this is nice. You want to just scrape a little inside, not too much. It's hot, remember. It's best if you let them cool down a little. I'm just showing you this fast because I gotta make a video. I got things to do. So see, nicely scraped inside, just like that. Next one. These actually came out real nice. So remember, you want to scrape them like this, and then once you're done, oh, we need cheese. So now you're gonna get some cheese, shredded cheese, whatever cheese you want. You're gonna get some and load it. Load it, people. Then we're gonna get a little bit of bacon. Remember the bacon? Sprinkle a little bit on top right there. Now if you guys want, you can put bacon down to the bottom. Cheese, bacon, cheese, layer it if you want. You know, I'm just showing you real quick the way I do it. And then I just sprinkle just a little bit more cheese on top. A little bit more, sorry. Like that. Shazam. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven again for just a little bit of time. You know, let the cheese melt. Bomb diggity, it's it. You're done. You can add some pepper and salt on it if you want, but the bacon's gonna give you your salty flavor, and you can just throw some pepper for some spiciness, I guess, like a little kick to it. But I just wanted to show you that real quick. We're gonna do them all. I'll throw them in the oven. When they're done, I'll show you how it's done. But this is simple stuff, people. Simple stuff. We'll see you in a little bit. My daughter's helping me with these. I'm on the last ones right here. Obviously that's what they're gonna look like. They're melted a little because like I told you guys they're already hot. So the heat is already melting some of the cheese, but we're gonna add some more right now and throw them back in the oven.
Do you like helping your dad out?
Nah. Like he forced me.
She forced herself. She's the one been begging.
What?
Load them up, Princess. You need a lot more cheese in them. Load them, load them. Don't be shy.
I'm not shy.
Okay, so the loaded potatoes are done. We pulled them out of the oven. This is what they look like. Just like so. Hell yeah, look at this cheesiness. Greatness, cheesiness. Let's see. Oh, man. Put it on here. And then, if you guys want, once again, it's all up to you. I love pepper. I'll put a little bit of pepper on it. And another thing that goes good with this is ranch, like ranch dressing or whatever. Bomb. Ketchup. Obviously, it's almost like a baked potato as well, so you can put your sour cream, onions, whatever you guys want. I think they're bomb just like this. I'm about to show you how bomb they are. Oh yeah. Bite it. Bomb. So bomb. With the bacon.
These are huge.
I know, that's why you gotta make them like that.
Woo!
Hell yeah. Look at that. Look at that cheesiness, bacon. Another thing, I made them a little bit healthier. But another thing I like to do, once they're done out of the oven and we scrape them out, we could fry them again just a little bit. Take them out, load them, put them back in the oven just to melt the cheese. It's time consuming, but it's very easy, people. Very easy. Excuse me. Very easy. Once again, stay hungry, keep on munching. Loaded potatoes. Watch my next video where I'm going to make fried tacos using the potatoes that I scraped out of here. That's all I got for this video on the loaded potatoes. Come watch the next one with the tacos. Peace, y'all. Stay hungry. Keep munching. Yeah.
Bye.